My name's Jesse Melanson. I'm an artist from Truckee, California, and I'm here painting the backside of Studio 14 and the Heirlooms thrift store. So I do this, I call it like low polygon like style artwork. It's also been called by many people like origami, which I really like. It kind of has like an origami style. But yeah, just kind of create these like fantasy worlds that are based off conversations I have with people in the community, and try to use those to inspire the story in the mural, but also keep it open-ended for interpretation. So, you know, like this one's using Colorado flowers and wildlife to help bring this piece together, and then people can come and reflect on it with their own visions and feelings.
I think this mural is amazing. I think it adds so much color and vibrancy and life to the back alleys and the back areas of our buildings. We look forward to seeing many more murals like this come to Montrose. The color, the life, I love the butterflies. I think it's fantastic, and it just adds so much to our business.